Respected students, today I would like to give you short motivational speech. And the thing is that four things are counted. When you want to present something or you going for a test or interview, job interview or somewhere else you go, and four things are really matter. So these things are counted. The first thing is that whenever you go for interview or you are going to present something, you should say, I am bold, I'm confident, I'm articulate, I'm poised. I can do that. So as Epictetus said, it is not ultimate the events that affects us. It is about the judgment we take about it. You mean to say you have performed something bad, it doesn't matter. The thing is that how you are going to take that will matter. So like the modern neuroscientists, they say that when you are going to perform something, you are going to perform any presentations, you are going to have job interview, what will happen over there? You say you mean to say you are nervous, you are just your skin is just sweetie, and all the time you are nervous and totally you have lose confidence, and the sentence comes out from your mind. The sentence is that you say, I'm anxious. This one sentence will totally lose your confidence. You will lose your confidence and you will perform zero. So once you say that I am bold, I'm confident, I'm poised, I'm articulate, I can do that. So all the situation is with you, but you are a stoic, you follow the stoicism, you say that I can do that, I am articulate, I am poised, I am confident, I am a bold, I can do that. You can do it very easily. So it varies from sentence to sentence. Once you utter I'm anxious, I can do that. I can do that, I'm anxious. There is great difference between two sentences, and these two sentences can change your life. So whenever you are in such kind of situation, be stoic. You say I am articulate, I'm poised, I'm confident, I can do that. So just one sentence will change whole scenario, whole situation will be changed, and you will perform well once you articulate this word, I can do that. So be bold whenever you are under such kind of circumstances. So don't impose such kind of situation on you. So it is only the judgment you take about it. It's not events, it's not incidents or circumstances that defines you. It is how you take it. Stay blessed and have a nice day.